Okay. Good morning to you all in this online class. Dear student, as you know, our today's topic of teaching is media, the mainstay of democracy. In this class or in this chapter, you have to know about the meaning of media, democracy, mainstay, etc. One by one point is going to be discussed by me. As you know, democracy you have already learned in class 6, something you have learned, right? It means a form of government in which people elect their representatives, right? First of all, we should know about the meaning of media. Actually, media is the plural form of medium, right? It means several ways to communicate many people at a time. You know, media means the it refers to the means of communication that help to communicate so many people, a large group of people at a time, right? There are so many sources. There are different means of media. The names, some names are written here: radio, television, right? Cinema, books, magazines, internet, etc. So in this way, media is the plural form of medium. It means the several ways to communicate, I mean to pass our ideas, thought, expression to the other people at the same time. You have seen any people to address the gatherings. You are watching television. You see at a time so many people in the world see this channel or see the channels and enjoy. It helps us to communicate each other's within a short span of time to so many people. So media is the different ways or means to communicate people. Now, the term democracy means, actually democracy is a form of government. It is made by the elected representatives. In short, I have written here, democracy is a form of government or a government of elected representatives. What does it mean? It means that democracy is formed by the elected representatives by the people. You have seen the elections in which your parents had participated. In this election, candidates are people give the votes to the candidates and elected members make the government. In this type of government is known as democracy, where every person has right to share the power. But in kingship, there is no chance to have the share or to there is no chance to share the administration or government in kingship, because in kingship, king is all in all. King, it depends on the mercy or right of the king to whom he gives right to participate or give suggestion or help. But in democracy, it is necessary that each and every person, especially those who are 18 years and above old, have right to participate. Now, next point is, what is the meaning of mainstay? मेन स्टेम मीन्स मेन बेस, आधार जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग, राइट। मेन स्टेम मीन्स थिंग ऑन विच समथिंग बेस्ड ऑन, in base what regarding base what you understand, on the base something depends. For example, foundation is the base of the buildings, right? The chair on which you are sitting or you have sat is the base. So here it is said media is a very important thing. It is the base of democracy. Why? We will learn later on, but in short, you will not learn. Because by the help of media, our government gets its form in proper way. Its role is very important. Let it be. Now, next, what are the examples of media? There are so many: radio, television, cinema, books, magazine, internet, billboards, so many things. So now in the next slide, I'm going to say you what mean, how many types of uh, media are there or means of media are there. So one by one we will learn. Next you see, here you see, there are two types of media, right? There are two types of media. You know, there are two types of media. Next is what? You see here, print media and electronic media. First is billboards, newspaper in print media, billboards, newspapers, periodicals, books, journals, and electronic media, radios, television, films, mobiles, computers, and so many apps of mobiles. Now, one by one, you should learn what is the meaning of billboards. Okay, actually, billboards are the large outdoor board for display. You have seen, if you are a Begusarai, you have seen so many boardings or hoardings are kept beside the roads. Now you have seen near the cinema hall also. So many things. I will give you the picture of billboards. Here newspapers and periodicals are also all the printing things that is printed, that is published on some interval. For example, newspapers, magazines, you know, all the books, journals. So these are the examples of media, right? So question generally comes, what they mean by the print media? Give examples. You will have to write. Print media means the media in which writing is printed. It has the different forms. For example, billboards, newspapers, periodicals, books, journals. Electronic media through the help of electronics. When the things are communicated to the people, these are called electronic media. For example, radios, television, films, computer. Okay. Now next is you see the different means of media. Okay. Here is the different means of media. You see it. Now all these things are there. Let it be. First you see radio, there television, here microphone, right? Journals, papers, books, now newsrooms or gatherings. Now you see here radio programs, Radio Mirchi and others. So these are the sources to communicate the people, and these are counted as the means of communication. In this slide, there is the mixed pictures of electronic media and print media. Okay, now next you see, here you see, now these are the latest technology in media. I have said you, I will show the picture of billboards. Here you see, actually the latest technology helps media too much. It helps the media to reach among the people. I mean, earlier, in the lack of the modern technology, it was very difficult task for the media person to reach among the common people and to uh, get their views recorded. But nowadays, so many things are there, and it helps media to communicate the views of each others among the peoples. Here impact can be seen. I mean, what is the impact of the latest technology in media? It is reflected in the form of billboards. Here you see, I have given this type of billboards, and now it is very current, based on current events, coronavirus related message, wash hands of 10 with soap, 10 minutes or 20 seconds with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Wash hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Now here you see newspaper is one of the example. Here scenes are given. Periodicals you see, CD and DVDs. Now earlier, a few years earlier, it was in too much use. But nowadays, due to the latest technology, mobiles, TV, and so on and so forth, now it is going to be replaced. These are the CDs, and this one is DVD. Here you see TV programs and films, right? Now next is TV programs and films. So these are the latest technology that has improved the quality of media. Okay, here also you can be set to write the meaning and examples of periodicals, right? Periodicals, I have already said to you, periodicals means the magazines or newspaper that is published at a regular intervals. That is called periodicals. Example, newspaper, magazines, pamphlets, etc. Now, next is, here you are going to know the next slide. In your book, it is, the story begins from this one. I mean, what is the story of the printing press? Actually, the most important and the first means of media was paper. No doubt, earlier verbally people used to speak, but later on what happened, when China invented the paper, it gave a wide range of printing materials, right? But before the invention of paper and printing machines, actually earlier raised design of seals were used to print the words or pictures on wet clay or wax for printing. Here, seals, what is the seal? It is just like very soft substance that is used for joining or packaging parcel packets or envelope or doing some stamp work. Here, seals, pictures are given. Now, after that, paper was invented. In which country, first of all, paper was invented? China. So paper gave a wide range of printing area, or paper brought the revolution in the field of media or print media. Printing machine was invented by Gutenberg in Germany, and the first book that was printed was Babel. So this type of question also comes. What was the first printed book in the world? What is the name of the first printed book in the world? That is Bible. Now next is computer. Now, so in this way, these are the printing machines or that were used in the field of printing. Here first you have learned about the seals, right? Here for the work you see stamp work, sealing. Next you see the old form of printing machine, right? You see here, this is the printing machine. Now this is the new form, modern printing machine, where papers, magazine, etc. are printed, right? So in this way, these are the means where the papers are printed, and this is the story behind the printing machine, a short story regarding the printing machine. I think you have understood it well. If you have problem, you will chat. Now next is, this one is, first you see electronic media, right? Electronic media, importance of television. You are seeing here, daily you watch this channel, Aaj Tak for news, so many channels are there. Only for example, I have given here. Now, this is the newsroom scene. This picture is given to convey you or to say you about the use of the latest technology. How much this newsroom is hi-fi, and how does it help the news reporters to telecast their programs so that the people can grasp it, listen it with full concentration, right? So now, my dear student, first of all, you should learn this slide is very important from the examination point of view also, because generally this question comes, give the examples of electronic media or its importance, or what are the importance of television in the present scenario. So first of all, you have to learn, you have to know, many of you have experienced this impact of television on mass, I mean common people. Now here I also want to express the meaning of some one word that is called mass media. Actually, mass media is what? Since the media help in communicating messages to millions of people at the same time, they are called mass media. Mass means common people, so many people. Since the media addresses to all the people, learn from all the people, all the people of the world, so this means of communication is known as mass media. This type of media is known as mass media. Now, here one by one, we have to learn about the importance of television. You know, in the world, there are so many people who have leisure period, leisure time. Generally, we all have the leisure time. Some have more, and if you have less, but we all have the leisure time. Actually, in this time, we want to refresh us. We want to be free from all kinds of anxiety, tensions, and want to enjoy, right? So in this regard, television plays very important role because it is used for entertainment. So many programs are telecasted through different channels, and by watching these channels, programs, we enjoy and we feel fresh. Now, next is what? It creates a sense of national identity. National identity means now you have the identity card. What is it? It is identification of you, right? It says that who are you? Now, here we have the another identity, and that is called national identity. To which nation do you belong? How can you say that you are really national? I mean, you are thinking about whole nation as their own part of personality. Here, create a sense of national identity. I mean, whatever happened in any corner of India, we feel that it is closely related with us. Now, we want to do something for the betterment for all. Having seen any problem, it is the national identity of us. Now, next is powerful source of information. Television played very important role to inform us about the different things, right? If any events happen in any corner of the world, very soon we learn about that one, we know about that. It keeps up to date. It is very important from the purpose for competitive views, for common matters also, as an aware people, citizen, we must have to be well informed about the happenings of the world. In this regard, television played very important role. Now, next is what? It helps us to know about the current affairs, sports, games. Now, you are very familiar to cricket or different types of games and sports. How can you enjoy? How do you watch the games or sports? Exactly by the help of television. Now next, current events. Suppose nowadays COVID-19, India-China conflicts. So all these things are explained or described or shown or telecasted through different ways in channels. Now next is impact on public opinion, public view. Actually, whatever we take decision regarding any national, local, regional, state level issue, even the personal issue, television play very important role. Now it creates public opinion. I mean, it makes us fit to think or express about anything. For example, in election, you have seen many political parties launch the election campaign in which so many leaders come before the people in gathering demanding vote for them, and they say about the different promises, announcement, schemes, programs for the people. People listen to many political leaders, to many political parties, and after that they decide to whom they should cast vote. I mean, in this way, they create their opinion. Now, next example, suppose if you want to buy some new pens, pencils, or something else, you see the advertisement that is telecasted by the television, and after that, you decide which one should be bought, which one should be taken. What you see? The television helps you to create your opinion. Okay, so in this way, these are the important impact. Next, it creates global culture. Global culture means universal culture. Nowadays, no country can be progressive by limiting itself within its boundary. Nowadays, there is well connection of many countries with each other. They go in different countries, they learn a lot about their culture, tradition, job opportunities, and so many things. And they adopt it. And in this way, it creates the global culture. Culture means our living standard. Now, next is what? So this is the next is interdependence of technology and media. These 5 points are there, 6 points. Technology developed connectivity. It ended narrow casting. I mean, it is not limited. Created global culture that just I have described, explained. Technology improved efficiency of media. So many things are developed, and these are used in media, in newsroom. Scene you have already seen. Next is media updates us on the advances in technology. Media use digital technology to improve sound quality now, and technology is highlighted in market. I mean, technology is also based on media, because if media will not spread its use among the people, it cannot be technology cannot be popular among the people. It cannot get the wider viewership or market. So now next day I will again repeat it, but now it is time of open session. So I'm going to unmute you all. You can ask the question.